Excuse me. What the is he doing?
What is going on over there? Is that a tarp?
Yeah, he's actually filling the bed of his truck.
Are you kidding me?
I mean, look, it's leaking out.
Is that gas? Gas is leaking out of the back seat?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
This guy's an absolute idiot.
I can't believe that. Why would he do that? What is he doing? We gotta say something. This is insane. I can't with people right now. I can't.
I've never seen anything like it. I don't think we're safe right here.
If someone's even remotely close to him,
I know. If anybody smokes a cigarette right now, we are all done. Do you want to go?
Yeah, actually, I'm down.
Okay. Just go and let them know what's going on. What absolute idiot. What did they say? What did they say?
I just told the lady in the gas station, and she said she knows. She's calling the cops.
The cops are on their way?
Yeah, dude, this isn't safe.
No. Oh my God.
Say something.
Yeah.
I'm really concerned. He's like not paying attention.
Yeah. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Hi.
You know that this is really dangerous, right?
What are you doing, dude?
You know that this is really not safe. You're gonna cause a big accident.
Just beat it, will you?
Seriously.
Dude.
Yeah.
Why are you doing that?
You know that it's not safe, and they're gonna call the cops.
Give me as much gas as I can.
Dude, it's not that serious. This is a little bit extreme.
Seriously, if somebody throws a lit gas match in here, it's gonna blow.
Just leave it alone. If you don't mind. Just leave me alone, alright?
Oh, he's going. He's going.
Wait.
He's just gonna drive off. Look at it
Oh my
flashing.
God!
Oh my God.
What is he doing? Dude.
We have to follow him.
Dude. This is... Alright, we're following. We have to. Look at that! Are you serious?
Unbelievable. I mean,
Where does he think he's going?
I've no idea.
How is he going to put that into his... No, he didn't!
Yes, he totally did.
No, he didn't! Oh my God!